To install BT-Link Mobile, begin by going to the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Bionet and click on Bionet BT-Link Mobile, which looks like this. Once the app is installed, click on the app icon to start the program. This is the main screen for BT-Link Mobile, and where you will be able to observe the patient data being transmitted from your Bionet patient monitor. Let's walk through how to connect your monitor to the mobile application. To begin with, ensure that your mobile device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your patient monitor will be connected to. If your device is not connected to Wi-Fi, the message at the top of the screen will read Wi-Fi disconnected, and your app will not receive your patient monitor data over a cellular network. Once your device is connected to your Wi-Fi network, you will see the message Wi-Fi connected, followed by an IP address. The next step is to ensure that your patient monitor is properly connected to send the patient data. Connect your patient monitor to the same internet router your mobile device is connected to over Wi-Fi. Both the patient monitor and the mobile app must be on the same network to send data. You must connect your monitor to the router by using an Ethernet cable. On the monitor, touch the gear icon and then touch Network. Ensure that Central is set to BM or BT and that DHCP is set to On. The final step to connecting your monitor and mobile device will be covered in the next video covering server versus client modes.